Hey Florida, is your AC knowledge as cool as you think? I'm your AC expert from Central Air Depot, and we're about to bust some myths. Myth number 1, bigger AC units are always better. Oh honey, that's like saying bigger clown shoes make you funnier. An oversized AC is like wearing a winter coat to the beach. It'll cool you down fast, but you'll be sweating buckets in no time. Myth number 2, AC units don't need maintenance. Really? That's like never brushing your teeth and expecting $1 million smile. Skipping AC maintenance is a one-way ticket to Sweatsville, population U. And myth number 3, closing vents saves energy. Oh, sweetie, that's not how it works. Closing vents is like plugging your nose to stop breathing. Your AC system just works harder and wastes more energy. Now that we've chilled out those hot myths, remember, call Central Air Depot, cooling South Florida the smart way. Your comfort is our command. Visit centralair.depot.com, drop us a DM, or call us at 786-512-1929. Don't let AC myths leave you hot and bothered. Trust the experts at Central Air Depot.